the laws of delegation. To effectively create a working environment where workers adhere strictly to instructions, there must be a clear understanding of delegation. Delegation is giving responsibility to somebody else, is giving some power, responsibility, or work to somebody for specific purpose of achieving a set of objectives. It is one of the core contents of management leadership. However, the person who is delegated or who delegated the work remains accountable for the outcome of the delegated assignment. Delegation empowers a subordinate to make decisions on behalf of the leader. It is a shift of decision-making authority from one organizational level to another. It's what we call delegation. Delegation is not abdicating responsibility when properly done. The opposite of effective delegation is micromanagement, where a manager provides too much input, direction, and review of delegated work. In general, delegation is good and can save money, time, and help in building capacity, skills, as well as motivating people. On the other hand, poor delegation can cause frustration, disaffection, confusion, and among the parties involved.